Good afternoon everyone! Welcome to my vlog and happy Sunday! Sunday is a family day. Enjoy your day together with your family. I hope you'll be able to spend time with your family because Sunday is a family day. The family is very important. That's the greatest gift that God give us, family. Anyway guys, our tiny balcony. This road is going to the Lake Park time because of the hot weather. We cannot able to go walking in the park or in the beside the beach because the temperature is already high and very hot, especially in noon time. If the it's already 10 to 4 is the temperature is not 10 in the morning and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Anyway guys, enjoy your day and have a great weekend everyone. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye everyone.